This is it, the last couple of steps before the home is yours. Make sure you schedule all utilities to be transferred into your name on the day of closing to minimize disruption. Don't wait until the day before to make the calls. Sometimes the transfer takes a few days, so best to call earlier rather than later. You don't want to end up having your first dinner in your new home by candlelight. If you don't know who to call, ask your realtor for a list. Ideally, the final walkthrough will be scheduled for right before you close on the home. The final walkthrough is to make sure the home is in the same condition as when you saw it last, assuming reasonable wear and tear. Your realtor will be with you and will take note of any issues. If there is a problem, your realtor and attorney will help you work it out at closing. Keys will be provided at the closing table after the documents are signed and the property is officially closed. Closings take an average of an hour and a half, but it's best to plan for around 3 hours, just in case something comes up that takes time to resolve. Sometimes something comes up in the lender's documents that needs to be ironed out before the property can close. The loan takes the majority of the time at closing. The average closing for a cash buyer is around 45 minutes. Once you walk out of the closing with keys in hand, the home is all yours. Congratulations! I wish you all the best in your new home. If you ever have real estate questions or concerns or just want to tell us how you're doing, we're always just a phone call or email away. We love staying in touch with our clients. Thank you for allowing me to come with you on this journey, and thank you for choosing Royal Family Real Estate.